Hey everyone, this is Inam Ur Rehman 7 here. In this video, I'll be teaching an eye cut variation. This move was originally created by Boneho, but the variation was created by Kriod, and I've seen Aslan Valentin perform this move many times in his videos. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload my new videos. I upload on a daily basis, which includes cardistry tutorials and magic tutorials. Now without further ado, let's get down to how this move works. Okay, so this is the explanation for eye cut variation. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by breaking the deck in half, okay? And you're going to hold it in a straddle grip in both hands. First, I'm going to explain how the gripping is in the right hand, and then I'm going to explain it with the left hand. They're slightly different. I'll explain a small trick I use to help me get the display symmetrical. Okay, so for the right hand, you're going to place your thumb right where your pinky is. So you're holding the packet like the short right in the middle of the short end, and your index is on top, and then you're going to place your ring over here and your middle over here. So in your right hand, you're holding the packet like so, and you're going to basically break the deck with your index. Okay, so with my index, I'm now going to pull the deck about half. I broke it, so I'm holding the deck with my ring and my index, and then I'm going to place my middle over here, okay, right at the middle, right over here, okay, and I'm going to place my pinky at the bottom, right where my thumb is, and then I'm going to separate the two packets. See, I managed to get a symmetrical cut, so they both look aligned, okay. So this is the small technique I use with my right hand, and with my left hand, you're holding it in straddle grip. For my left hand, I don't keep my thumb right in the middle, I keep it towards the left end. So I keep it right over here, and my index in the middle at the top. And what you're going to do is I'm going to place my ring over here in the middle over here, like so, okay. And I'm going to break this packet again, half the packet. So basically I'm now going to be holding the packet with my ring and the other packet with my index, place my middle right over here, and my pinky underneath where my thumb is, and I'm going to separate the packets like so. So now you can see both of them are symmetrical. So for the left hand, I'll do it again, sorry, with the right hand. Okay, so this is the originally cutting the packets. Now I'll explain to you how you're going to cut it so it looks good in performance. So originally the packets will be like kind of like this in V, like before you have attached your pinky, okay. So what I mean is I'll just do it again. So from the back it will look like this. First of all, I'm breaking the deck, regripping the position, placing my pinkies at the bottom, okay. So right when I'm about to split, I'm going to do the display like this from the front, okay. So my pinkies are contacting and my thumbs are contacting, okay. Then I'm going to split the two packets at the same time, like this, okay. So they looks like this from the front. From the front it looks like this, okay. Ignore the card falling, it's okay. So, okay, from the front it looks like this. And then I'm going to readjust my position of my hand. So now they look aligned from front, okay. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're doing that small dance kind of movement, so like this, okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to now, once you have these packets separated, you're going to now contact your indexes and middles of both hands like so, okay. And this, make sure this packet is behind this packet, okay. And what you're going to do is grab this packet over here, like with your thumb and pinky, okay. So you're holding it like so, and you're not going to completely take it out. This is just to show the gripping, okay. And you're going to use your left index, and you're going to break a small packet. Keep the packet, this one, smaller than the top one. So you're going to break a small packet, and you're going to hold this packet in between your thumb and index, like so. And you're going to take this packet out, okay. And then you're going to, once you strip this packet out like so, you're going to re-grip with your thumb and pinky, okay. So you're holding it like so, And what you're gonna do is now basically let go of your right thumb and your left pinky, okay, and do this extension kind of thing, and then contact your pinky over here and your right thumb over here, and let go of your right pinky and left thumb and do this extension, okay. So basically the pattern was basically pretty simple, this and this, and then you're going to break another packet and you're going to do the exact same technique I just mentioned earlier, where you keep this packet smaller than the top packet. So I'm keeping this bottom packet smaller, pulling it out, and then I separate these two packets. So basically I'm holding these packets like so, okay. From here I separate it like so, okay. And then I'm going to do that twisting kind of thing again. This shouldn't be very complicated. And then what you're going to do is contact your right pinky against this packet that's between your thumb and pinky, okay. Your right pinky is contacting over here, and your thumb is going to contact against this packet, okay, like so, okay. And then I'm separate, so then I'm getting into that circular kind of display. So from the front it looks like this, from the back it looks like this, but from the front it looks like this. I can't get a clear display, but you get the point, okay. And then I'm going to extend my ring fingers. As you can see, the only fingers that are free are my ring fingers. I'm going to reach for the bottom single card or a small packet. Keep the packet smaller, it will be easier. And you're going to strip it slightly out. Take your time. And once you strip it out, you're now in the display. So basically this is what it looks like from the back, okay. And the front, and make sure to keep the center 3 packets parallel. It will help the display look better, like so. And this is pretty much it. And there is no closer for this, so you can just throw all the cards down, and that's pretty much it.